What's the meaning of curaçao? Curaçao. Curaçao.
Curaçao. Curaçao. Curaçao is a word that has multiple meanings. It can refer to the name of an island country located in the southern Caribbean Sea, as well as to a bright blue liqueur made from the dried peels of a type of citrus fruit called laraja, which is grown on the island. The liqueur is used in cocktails and is renowned for its distinct color, which makes it a visually striking addition to drinks. Curaçao is also the name of a style of architecture characterized by brightly colored buildings with distinctive gabled roofs and ornate decorations.